The Christian community in the Holy Land has remained steadfast and persevering despite the devastation, ruins, bombs and panic, seeking to rekindle hope, nurture humanity and unity, and keep the torch of prayer burning in the face of darkness.
I lost my home. I lost 12 members of my family in this war. There is no life, no dignity, no humanity. No one can stand what is happening there. For them, the church was a safe place, but it was bombed. The Latin church was bombed.
The church, who upholds the values of coexistence and peace, is committed to promoting these values by creating channels of communication and dialogue as an alternative means to violence in the face of challenges. In some asylum centres, it has been able to provide assistance, deliver medical services and medicines, and distribute food and water. Saint Pope John Paul II declared, "There will be no peace in the world without peace in Jerusalem." The conditions are difficult. Life has become difficult. We need the support of the world, of the international community, to find a solution to this problem and to do everything possible for people to live here with dignity and love. Bethlehem, the city of the Nativity, is also affected by the war in Gaza. The economic situation of many families and young people has worsened due to the absence of pilgrims, who are the driving force of the city. But the custody of the Holy Land is strongly present to preserve what remains of the Christian presence. Rejoice in hope, in tribulation have patience, persevere in prayer. Share with the saints their needs and pay attention to hospitality. With the same words of St. Paul, the guardians of the Holy Land conduct their mission and spread the teaching of St. Francis on peace, goodness, love and fraternity, reaching out their hand to anyone in need or suffering and embracing them warmly. Our country is going through daily and continuous political, social and economic challenges. However, in spite of all these difficulties we go through and experience, our young people remain the most important thing to maintain Christian identity. They are the children of the Holy Land, where Jesus was born, raised and lived. For us, our existence in this land is to serve the man, the people of this country, to maintain the Christian presence in the Holy Land, to serve them, to be with them and by their side, to help them resist. It would not have been possible for the custody of the Holy Land to accomplish all these efforts without the generous support of their friends around the world. Be an integral part of the Holy Land by helping to plant the seeds of love and hope. Blessed are the merciful.